Chaos erupts in ZANU-PF as activist expelled for aligning with Chiwenga. By a correspondent vertical bar, the 6th of September 2025. CHIREZI. Tensions are mounting within ZANU-PF following the expulsion of Frank Gwashior, a longtime activist and former loyalist of President Emerson Mnangagwa, from the Children of Zimbabwe Liberation War Veterans Association, CZLWVA, in Masvingo Province. The move, directed by Provincial Chairman Senjurai Manyanga on the 2nd of September 2025, stripped Gwashior of all positions in the association's Kairedzi district structures. Once a staunch Mnangagwa ally, Gwashior's recent leanings toward General Constantino Chiwenga's faction and his outspoken promotion of the FG28 agenda raised alarm within the party's hierarchy. Manyanga defended the decision, telling party officials, "This decision is necessary to uphold discipline, unity, and loyalty within the party. No one is above the values that ZANU-PF represents, and deviations cannot be tolerated." Party insiders say Gwashior's growing influence and perceived overtures toward Chiwenga's camp were viewed as a direct threat to Mnangagwa-aligned leadership in Masvingo. A Harare-based political analyst said the expulsion reflected the ruling party's fragile internal democracy. Gwashior's removal shows how fragile internal democracy has become in ZANU-PF. This is less about loyalty and more about controlling the narrative. Supporters in Kairedzi reacted swiftly, holding informal meetings to protest the decision. One community member said, "Frank has always been a voice for the people. He raised issues affecting the youth and working class that officials prefer to ignore. His removal creates a vacuum at the grassroots." Despite his expulsion, Gwashior has continued to hold community empowerment meetings, keeping his influence alive outside formal party structures. Observers believe his charisma could allow him to retain grassroots support, even in defiance of ZANU-PF directives. The episode has reignited debate within the party over whether enforcing strict discipline strengthens unity or risks alienating younger supporters hungry for change. As of Friday, Manyanga was not available for further comment. Party insiders, however, said the political atmosphere in Kairedzi remains tense as rival factions recalibrate ahead of future contests.